Are you tired of facial redness, acne-like bumps and pimples, skin thickening and eye irritation? Has it become a struggle for you to live with natural look? Has it faded your natural beauty and made you look so dull? Well, this may be rosacea and it's a chronic skin disorder. Rosacea affects around 415 million people worldwide and over 16 million Americans. Well, many people are unaware of this condition until they are diagnosed. In today's video, I will discuss what rosacea is, its type, symptom, causes and treatment. So stick to this video till the end. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. I have extensive clinical experience and expertise in treating skin disease using a natural and holistic approach without the use of steroids. So let's begin with what rosacea is. Rosacea is a chronic inflammatory skin condition that primarily affects the face, and it may have symptoms like redness, visible blood vessels and small pus-filled bumps. It's not contagious and it's not caused by poor hygiene, but it is a long-term condition that can come and go in cycles of flare-ups and remission. Rosacea usually develops after the age of 30 and it tends to affect people with fairer skin tones more often. But it does not mean it does not affect people with other skin colors. It can absolutely occur in people of all skin colors, though sometimes it's harder to recognize in darker complexions. Now let's discuss the symptoms in detail. Rosacea symptoms vary from person to person, but you may have most of the symptoms. The first most visible sign is erythema or redness of the face. This redness is often compared to blushing or flushing, but unlike normal flushing, it does not go away quickly. Now, the second sign is visible blood vessels or telangiectasis. These are tiny broken blood vessels that become visible on the surface of the skin. The third sign is papules and pustules. These look a lot like acne breakouts. They are small red bumps, sometimes filled with pus, but they differ from acne because blackheads are usually absent. Red, watery and irritated eyes could also be a sign of rosacea. This is eye rosacea. Some people experience burning, stinging or even light sensitivity. In more severe cases, vision can be affected if left untreated. Some people with rosacea also notice thickened and bumpy skin. This is phimosis rosacea. Now, the sixth sign is burning and stinging sensation. Many people with rosacea report uncomfortable sensations on their skin such as burning, stinging or itching. Rosacea has 4 main types and sometimes people can experience a combination. Let's discuss all of them. The first type is erythematotelangiectasis rosacea. It is mainly characterized by persistent redness and visible blood vessels. The skin may feel sensitive, dry or flaky. Now the second type is papulopustular rosacea. It is often confused with acne and this type involves red bumps and pus-filled pimples along with redness and swelling. The third type is phimosis rosacea. This is a type where the skin becomes thicker and scarred, looking most commonly on the nose. The fourth type is rosacea of the eyes or ocular rosacea. You may have symptoms like red, bloodshot eyes, burning, watery irritation, swollen eyelids, or even blurred vision. Now let's come to the most important question: what causes rosacea? See, the exact cause of rosacea is not fully understood. A certain combination of factors may be responsible for this, like genetics, faulty immune system, microorganisms like Demodex folliculorum and Helicobacter pylori, blood vessel abnormalities, environment and lifestyle. Now let's discuss the treatment of rosacea. See, the traditional allopathic treatment includes topical treatments like metronidazole or brimonidine gel, azelaic acid or ivermectin cream, and oral medications like doxycycline and isotretinoin. But this treatment is for short-term relief and rosacea relapse once you stop medication. But don't worry, rosacea can be completely treated with Bharat Homeopathic personalized and customized treatment, which is prescribed based on your constitution, clinical history, and lifestyle. We at Bharat Homeopathy have treated thousands of patients with skin conditions like psoriasis, eczema, seborrhea, vitiligo, rosacea, and chronic acne problems. So if you or your loved one is struggling with rosacea, then no worries. We are here to help you get over this skin condition permanently. I hope you like this video, and if you want more such content, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated on our latest video. Thank you so much. Namaste and have a great day.